Right, so I just wanted to post a short video just to show you exactly how the lawn is looking around about 10 days after the renovation. So you can see so far the lawn is actually looking pretty decent. If we get close down to the grass layer here now, you can see that the grass has started to thicken up again quite nicely, and we've got lots of new growth coming through as well from all of those new seeds that we put down during the renovation. Now, the only other thing that's actually happened to this lawn since that renovation is that I've got on with some fertilizer, and I've also put some liquid seaweed down as well. And you can see that it's only been around about 4 days since those things went down onto the lawn, and it's taken to it really well. We did the exact same thing on this top lawn as well, and the same results are clear up here as well. It's looking pretty tidy at the moment. I have a video that I'm uploading onto my channel on Sunday to show exactly how you can take care of your lawn this autumn, which does include fertilising and getting different products down onto your lawn. So if you would like to check that out, feel free to subscribe. You can see though, it's not completely perfect. This space here where the dog had dug a hole, unfortunately, he ripped it all back out again. So we're back to square one in this particular space. So I do need to go and get some soil this weekend to actually fill this hole in, but it's actually looking pretty decent. Now, personally, I'm really happy with how this lawn is looking at the moment, considering, you know, we're sort of like mid to late September now. The temperatures have dropped ever so slightly, but, you know, considering it's been heavily scarified, it's been overseeded, it's had fertilizer on it, it's had some liquid seaweed down on it, it's bounced back from that renovation quite well. And this just shows you that if you do renovate your lawn at this time of year, it only takes around about a week or two to actually see some half decent results, because I have had people ask over the last few weeks. They've said things like, you know, is it too late to renovate your lawn? Should it be overseeding now? Should it be doing anything else? And this is just testament to the fact that you absolutely can. I mean, unless you've got a dog that is going to dig holes in your garden, but if you don't, then you're golden. You can see that this lawn is sort of in the middle of a transitional phase as well. This lawn was renovated on the weekend, so it's been around about 4 days now since the actual renovation itself, and we've had nothing but non-stop rain for the past few days. And because we finally got a break in the weather this evening, I'm going to get on with some autumn winter fertilizer, which contains more potassium and phosphorus, which is great for root development and the actual overall health of the plant. And that's what you want at this time of year. With the temperature starting to drop now, you want more of those things in your soil to give the grass the best chance it can to survive the winter. I'll be posting the renovation video for this on my channel next weekend. This weekend is about autumn lawn care, and this one will be the next one that's coming out. So hopefully over the next week and a half, it actually starts to thicken up and look even better than what it is now. This fertilizer contains quite a bit of iron too, which is hopefully going to give this grass a nice green up too without a massive boost of growth. So there we go, just a short video today. But if you are thinking of actually doing a renovation yourself and you're a little bit concerned as to whether it's too late or not, it absolutely isn't. The temperatures are quite nice. We've got quite a lot of rain at the moment, and that's just going to help with germination, and it's going to help with the fertilizer soaking into the soil too. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a like, and if you'd like to check out any of my other content or follow along with any of my lawn renovation videos, then feel free to subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching.